Hi. It's time to learn about playground equipment. Swing, slide, seesaw, monkey bars, climbing frame, sandbox, merry-go-round, spring rider, balance beam, climbing wall, play tunnel, rope ladder. Again. Swing, slide, seesaw, monkey bars, climbing frame, sandbox, merry-go-round, spring rider, balance beam, climbing wall, play tunnel, rope ladder. Practice. Swing, 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 slide, 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 seesaw, 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 monkey bars, monkey bars, monkey bars, climbing frame, climbing frame, climbing frame, sandbox, 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 merry-go-round, 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 spring rider, spring rider, spring rider, balance beam, balance beam, balance beam, climbing wall, climbing wall, climbing wall, play tunnel, play tunnel, play tunnel, rope ladder, rope ladder, rope ladder. Let's review. What playground equipment is this? Climbing frame. What playground equipment is this? Climbing wall. What playground equipment is this? Merry-go-round. What playground equipment is this? Swing. What playground equipment is this? Play tunnel. What playground equipment is this? Spring rider. What playground equipment is this? Slide. What playground equipment is this? Rope ladder. What playground equipment is this? Monkey bars. What playground equipment is this? Sandbox. What playground equipment is this? Balance beam. What playground equipment is this? Seesaw. Let's review. I like going on the merry-go-round. This. I like going on the seesaw. This. I like going on the spring rider. This. I like climbing the climbing wall. This. I like going on the swing. This. I like climbing the climbing frame. This. I like going in the play tunnel. This. I like climbing the monkey bars. This. I like going on the balance beam. This. I like climbing the rope ladder. This. I like going on the slide. This. I like playing in the sandbox. This. Last review. Swing. Slide. Seesaw. Monkey bars. Climbing frame. Sandbox. Merry-go-round. Spring rider. Balance beam. Climbing wall. Play tunnel. Rope ladder. Good job.
Bye!